Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. This is episode 18 in my Building My First Age Scale Diorama series. As promised in the last video, today I'm focusing on the area near the train tunnel and also the right corner of the diorama, an area that's starting to evolve into a small work-in-progress forest. So up until now, this section felt a bit empty, especially around the tunnel entrance. And my goal here is to make the tracks feel naturally embedded into the landscape, as if the railway was carved through a wooden area rather than just placed on top of it. At least that's what I'm hoping for. I'll be using trees of different sizes, just to avoid repetition and create depth, which is essential when you want to create a realistic forest-like look. So I start right next to the tunnel by drilling small holes on both sides of the tracks. The process stays simple and consistent. Drill the hole, add a bit of glue, and just carefully place each tree. I take my time adjusting the angles so the trees don't all stand perfectly straight. Slight imperfections actually help sell the realism, especially in a natural environment like this. And next I move toward the right corner of the diorama and surrounding area. This is where I'm starting to build what I would like to call a small work-in-progress forest. Like taller trees go toward the back, smaller ones toward the front, creating layers and visual depth. That's what I would like to achieve here later on. This area is far from finished anyway, but even at this stage you can already see the atmosphere changing. Trees begin to frame the tracks and guide the eye through the scene. Now, as always, my daughter joins in and helps me place some of the trees, and she carefully follows the same steps, even drilling, gluing, positioning, and pays close attention to spacing and balance. These moments really slow the process down in a good way, reminding me that this hobby isn't just about the final result, but also about enjoying the build itself. So for the rest of the video, I'll just show you some close-up shots of the tunnel area and the forest corner, let's call it like that. Even with just trees added, the scene already feels more complete and immersive. This forest is still a work in progress. In the next episode, I'll be adding more green elements, ground cover, and extra details to really bring this section to life. If you enjoyed this episode, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about the forest so far. Just feel free to suggest what you'd like to see added next. Thanks for watching Lens on Trains, and I'll see you in the next episode.